Guys, welcome back to Wishes on Dishes by Chef Miles. Glad to have you guys back. So today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make a classic Costarian dish, which is fish dipped in a nice thick coconut sauce, classically known as Samaki or Kupaka. And you're gonna be having this with some rice on the side. Let's jump right in. Okay, so for ingredients, we're gonna need the fish in itself. I got it when it's already fried. We're also gonna need 2 tomatoes chopped up. We're gonna need 1 green pepper. You can see it's chopped up. We have 3 onions there, chopped up. We have garlic, we have ginger, we have a coriander there. We're gonna be having this with a side of rice. So these are 2 cups of rice. And for our spices, we're gonna go with cinnamon, black pepper, paprika, curry powder, and our coconut cream. First things first, we're gonna need to blend our ingredients. So we're gonna add in the onions. We're also gonna add our tomatoes. Then gonna add our green peppers. We'll also add in our garlic and ginger. And also add in the stalks from the coriander stalks. And to allow this to blend well, we're gonna add the coconut cream to this too. Alright, so once we have our ingredients there, we'll just go ahead and blend this. So we just keep blending this just for a minute or so. Alright, so to begin, we're gonna be starting with our rice. So these are 4 cups of water that is boiling, and I've made it 4 cups since we are making 2 cups of rice. So we're gonna need 4 cups of water. We're then gonna add in some cooking oil. And add in some salt. Then we just let that boil as we clean our rice, and once it begins boiling, we'll then go ahead and add the rice. Okay, so once our water has come to a boil and we've washed our rice, we can now go ahead and add this. And just let this cook until all the water has evaporated. Okay, so once our mixture is blended, we'll go ahead and add this to our pan. And just allow this to cook for a few minutes as you keep stirring it. Okay, so as our mixture is still cooking, we can now go ahead and add our spices. And for this, we're gonna add a bit of cinnamon, some black pepper, bit of paprika, and our curry powder. And also don't forget your salt. And after adding this, you can just keep on stirring as our blended mixture continues cooking. Just keep on mixing it and leave it for a few minutes as our mixture continues cooking. Okay, so as you can see, our rice is almost ready. You can just leave that to boil under very low heat for a few more minutes. And on this other end, you can see our nice thick sauce. Can now go ahead and add our fish. And just gently add that to a nice sauce and add our add-on. In this case, you can just go ahead and cover the fish with our nice sauce and just leave it for a few minutes, and we can now go ahead and turn it after a few minutes. Just cover it in that nice sauce. Alright, so after you flipped your fish, it's now almost ready, and we can now go ahead and add our coriander. Doesn't that look good? Amazing. And just add in a bit of our coriander and leave that for around 2-3 minutes, and our fish should be ready. Alright, so here is our fish with our accompaniment of rice. It's finally ready. Let's dive right in. Right, so our lunch is finally ready. Let's dig in. The rice is well cooked, and with that sauce, oh my goodness, this is so good. Let's go ahead and try out our fish. Oh my goodness, this is so good. The fish accompanied with that sauce, wow, it is simply amazing, finger licking good. This is so good. I just can't wait to continue with my lunch. You guys go ahead and try it out and tell me what you think on the comment section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe on Wishes on Dishes. This is Chef Miles. It's been nice having you guys, and I'll see you on to the next one.